If you feel stuck in life, like you're putting in effort, but you don't feel like you're moving forward, you're not alone. Most people stuck for one simple reason. They don't know what's holding them back. But don't worry, today I will show you how to break free. So welcome to another video. Today I decided to do stair running. Yeah, why not? I don't like running, to be honest, but stair running is fine. You know, it's harder actually. It gets your legs on fire really fast. You probably heard 100 of millions of billions of times. I will say it, okay? Sometimes people stuck because they're waiting for the perfect moment. You know, some people wait to get fit because they don't have time. And we all know how it usually ends. Why didn't I start it faster? Oh, now it's too late. I'm so fat and sassy. And from my own experience, I had this mistake as well. I was thinking maybe I should not start the YouTube channel now because my camera is shitty. My light is not perfect. Here I am. I have 1,000 subscribers. And I'm so grateful for that. Thank you. And so many people start to film with just their phone, you know? They just put the phone out of their pocket and record. Some people get viral. Some people get millions of views because they use their iPhone. And no, you don't need iPhone. Yeah, I know, but this is the reality. The perfect time never comes. You either start now or you might stay stuck forever. So yeah, instead of waiting, just ask yourself this one question. What small step, even like the smallest step I can do today to get going? You might be like, what's the point? I won't lose weight if I will do workout 5 minutes a day. I will wait a perfect moment when I will be able to do like half an hour at least every day. No, man. Even if it's 5 minutes a day, if you will start today, 5 minutes, but every day, you will build a consistency. If you feel like you're that lazy or you're so busy, which is usually not true, we always can find a little bit of time for our body, for our diet. Yeah, I think you got the point. You might be stuck because you're waiting for the motivation. Systems? Fire. Motivation? It can give you like the first boost, a little small push. Replace your motivation with a non-negotiable habits. Oh, by the way, this 2-minute tactic is perfect. If you don't feel like starting, just do 2-minute rule. 2 minutes gone, that's it. Boom, started. Let's go. Why also you might be stuck? You're not willing to be bad at something first. People fear to look stupid, so they never start. When you start yoga for the first time, it's uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable, okay? But the only way to improve is by being bad at it first. Reframe failure as a progress. Every expert was once a beginner. I don't call myself a fitness influencer. So my friend had a problem several years ago. He asked me, how do I do pull-ups? This guy couldn't do a single pull-up, and honestly, I didn't know like how to teach him. I was like, bro, keep trying. The only question I asked him, can you do push-ups? Technique was not so good. Well, my technique is not so good as well. He watched a few videos on YouTube and he started to do push-ups, proper push-ups. Then eventually I noticed that he could do half a pull-up. And believe me, that's progress when you cannot do a single one. It was like, but it was good. I couldn't help him, but he found a way. I was only telling him if the technique is like better or not. Well, I don't know where is he now. The last time I've seen him, he was drinking alcohol and smoking cigarettes, but it doesn't matter, okay? But he could do a few pull-ups, like actual pull-ups. You might be stuck if you haven't changed your environment. Yeah, our environment is a willpower. And again, it's my own experience because when I was hanging out with people who smoke and drink alcohol, I didn't drink a lot of alcohol, but I used to smoke. And one day I felt bad. And I noticed this interesting thing. As soon as I stopped hanging out with them, I stopped smoking. I don't want this anymore. I was like, no. And then later I had a few moments, I started to hang out with them again. And I was like, do I want this? Like, those guys are still smoking and stuff, and I just want to do I don't know, exercise. If you surround yourself with the negative people, you will absorb their mindset. That's a personal advice. If you want to change your mindset to be more positive, more productive, just watch Chris Williamson on YouTube. Watch his podcast. I mean, it's a bit fun. Didn't change my environment. I'm alone. I'm alone. Nah, I'm fine. It's always better with a social interactions, and I need to improve mine. I agree. Another reason you might be addicted to a short-term comfort. Social media, porn, growth require discomfort, but most people avoid it. Oh, so much people in here. Well, it's Saturday. There. And that's fine. This place is for everybody, okay? So scrolling social media gives you instant dopamine, but working on your goals takes patience. Try to do something uncomfortable every day. Push-ups, cold showers, cold plunge. Why comparing yourself to others might keep you stuck? It's when people say you compare your chapter first to somebody's chapter 20. And this is so true. Man, this is so true. When I heard this on social media, of course, I was a bit shocked. This is how it is. This is how it is in our world. I don't know. I didn't start YouTube yesterday, but still, if I would compare myself to Mr. Beast, well, this would be so silly and silly. And did I say silly? Yeah. So if you want to compare yourself with your past, not with other people. Just forget about them. Also, maybe you overthink instead of taking action. Some people spend whole months researching for perfect workouts instead of just start doing push-ups today. And this reminds me of my coworker. I mean, it's probably not funny, but you probably won't believe what I will tell you now. I know him for 2 years, and for 2 years, at least once a week, I hear from him, I will start gym. I will start gym. I need to start gym. I want to start gym. Did he start? Well, there was a day he did 200 squats at home and some kind of sit-ups, I guess, and some kind of push-ups. But he did this one day, and then after this, no workouts, no gym, no calisthenics, nothing. And like, I'm not laughing from here. It's just funny to hear this when he's so consistent with saying that I'm gonna start the gym, but he's not actually consistent with the training, you know? Make your choices. You don't want to be this guy. Your future self is counting on you. Don't let him down. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream in the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Buddha. What will take you everywhere? Action. That's right. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.